Okay, let's look at this problem. What is it? 1.1, 1.2 homework, number 14. I'm so glad you put this on the forum because I wanted to talk more about absolute values. There's a way to look at them, and we're talking about the algebraic method to find the limit. It goes back to the definition. Remember, the absolute value function is a piecewise function. If you're greater than 0, it's x. If it's less than 0, it's negative x. So look at what happens if you think about it. What is the absolute value of x plus 2? You could apply that to this function. It would be x plus 2 if what's inside is greater than or equal to 0, which means x is greater than or equal to negative 2. And it's going to be the opposite of what's inside if what's inside is less than 0, which means x is less than negative 2. So that's the key, is understanding that the absolute value of x plus 2 is a piecewise function. Now, when you look at the limit, well, let me just say then, so what you can actually say, if you talk about this function now, if you divide by x plus 2, you can break that up too. And so it's going to be x plus 2 over x plus 2, which is just 1, if x is greater than or equal to negative 2. And since if x is less than negative 2, it's this function, this equals negative 1. So it's going to be negative 1 if x is less than negative 2. So that's the key. The key is to understand how to break it up into pieces, right? So when you're looking at the limit x goes to negative 2 from the right, we can assume x is greater than negative 2, right? So it's going to be this. It's just going to be 1. So the limit as x goes to negative 2 plus of 1 is just 1. That's one of our limit laws. Okay, now if we're looking at the limit as x goes to negative 2 from the left, that's this case, then this ratio is equal to negative 1. That's what we just said. So the limit as x goes to negative 2 from the left of negative 1 is negative 1. And that's why the limit, the whole limit, remember, this is two pieces. This is a left and a right side limit. They both have to agree, but since they don't agree, the limit does not exist. All right, well, that's it. I'm glad you asked that. I hope this helps. Bye.